Tax day 2021 in the rearview mirror for many Americans, but new tax law changes are already being proposed that could end up costing you more of your hard-earned money. Wanted to find out just how a few lines in a huge piece of federal legislation could impact you the next time you hire someone to do your returns.
Buried in the Biden administration's nearly $2 trillion American Families Plan, a few lines that would require tax preparers to be federally licensed, meaning the person doing your return would have to be an attorney, CPA, or enrolled agent. In Arizona, that would be a huge change, says CPA Bob Hawkinsmith.
Or the Wild Wild West. So you literally do not have to have any education. You don't have to have any license. You don't have to have any ability except hang a sign over your head that says tax preparer, and you can do it.
Of the 1.2 million tax preparers working in the U.S., the IRS only considers 734,000 licensed. When it comes to those without a license, the Treasury Department says these preparers submit more tax returns than all other preparers combined, and they make costly mistakes that subject their customers to painful audits, sometimes even intentionally defrauding taxpayers for their own benefit.
Doctors have to be licensed, lawyers have to be licensed, securities people have to be licensed. Why wouldn't tax preparers have to be licensed?
On the flip side, if nearly 40% of tax preparer jobs go away, expect to pay more for the licensed professionals still working in the field.
Supply and demand, right? If you have fewer tax preparers, the demand is going to stay the same. You still have 160 million returns a year that need to be done.
Hawkinsmith says Arizonans who freelance or have side hustles would likely be impacted the most, since they're eligible for more deductions that often a tax pro is aware of.
And another change that could be coming to tax season, more audits.
President Biden looking at ways to find funding to pay for his infrastructure plan. And one idea, hire more auditors to make sure Americans are paying the right amount in taxes. Under the president's new plan, he wants to hire nearly 87,000 new workers by 2030. The cost, $80 billion. The president thinks it's worth it, since the IRS estimates between $500 billion and $1 trillion in taxes go uncollected each year. The proposed plan would also require banks and online payment platforms like PayPal to tell the IRS about more of their transactions. Companies trade cryptocurrencies would have to report transactions as well, and more than $10,000. A vote on this isn't expected until the end of June. Conservatives already speaking out against it.